Today we're going to take a look at this MoCa adapter. This adapter is perfect for when you don't want to or just can't install Cat5 cables. Most people I know already have coaxial cable throughout the house for TV, so might as well put it to good use. Myself, I'll be using these to install a POE IP camera system for a client. And just for fun, we'll be using it to provide internet straight to our laptop. Let's see how good it is versus Wi-Fi, for instance. When you open the box, you get the 2 MoCa adapter. Here is the Sharpie for size comparison. So yeah, it's about 2 Sharpie thick. In the back, you get the 12-volt DC input, the Cat5 port, coax for your TV, and then the coax cable going to each of the MoCa adapter. These connect to each other. Also included is about 3 feet of Cat5 cable, and of course the 2 12-volt DC adapters. There are some light indicators as well, but I never really noticed them. Looks like one of the lights is for confirming whether it's getting internet or not. MoCa adapters are awesome for installing POE IP camera system. Here's a diagram of the cameras and the wiring layout. You got the 5 cameras on the left-hand side and 4 cameras on the right-hand side. A total of 9 will provide all 360 degrees coverage of the property, no blind spot whatsoever. This camera in the front is actually a POE IP doorbell camera. The Real-Link NVR will be installed in the basement. The 4 cameras on the left-hand side will be routed into the basement. This house left side is all vinyl siding, so it's very easy to drill a hole through the siding and into the basement. By the way, if you're new to the channel and this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking this video just to let YouTube know that yeah, this video really helps you out. To route the 4 cameras on the right hand side, we'll just use the existing coax connection. The 4 camera right here will go into the POE switch. A single cable comes out of that, go into the MoCa adapter. The MoCa to MoCa will be connected via the coaxial cable. This MoCa adapter will convert it back into Cat5 and then into the NVR. Here's my test setup before actually deploying to the client's house. We've got 4 POE IP cameras. They all go into this POE switch from Real-Link. This upload port has no power whatsoever, it's just data. From the switch upload port, we'll go into this MoCa adapter right here. The MoCa adapter needs power, of course, so here's the 12-volt DC plug into the wall outlet. The adapter converts the Cat5 connection into coaxial cable that goes into this MoCa adapter. Finally, this second adapter converts the coax back to Cat5. The Cat5 cable goes to the NVR right there. Surprisingly, there is no lag or drop frames whatsoever. Now, just for fun, we're going to test the internet speed. So here's the internet line. It goes into the MoCa adapter. The MoCa adapter converts it into coax. The coax goes to another MoCa adapter. This adapter converts it back to Ethernet internet. Finally, the Cat5 goes into my laptop via this USB-C Ethernet adapter. We're going to go to fast.com to verify the speed. Let's click on the refresh button. And there you go. I'm paying about $50 a month for internet with Verizon Fios for 300 megabit per second. So yeah, this speed with the wire connection is more than good enough for any activities. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with understanding what MoCa adapter is and how to use it. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.